गोंय शिक्षण मंडळान एप्रील 2019 घेतिल्ल्या धावेच्या परीक्षेचो निकाल मंगळारा जाहीर केला. अंदूचो धावेचो निकाल 92.47% लागला. अंदू 18,684 विद्यार्थ्यांनी धावेची परीक्षा दिल्ली. तातूंतले 17,278 विद्यार्थी पास जाल्यात. सरकारी 31 आनी अनुदानीत 67 मेळून वट्ट 98 विद्यालयाचो 100% निकाल लागला, अशी माहिती गोंय शिक्षण मंडळाचो अध्यक्ष रामकृष्ण सामंतान पत्रकार परिशदेंत दिल्या.
You can see on the screen SSC results for the last 5 years. Year 2014, 18,103 students appeared, 15,119 students passed, and this result was 83.51%. In 2015, 19,582 students appeared, 16,674 students passed. This result was 85.15%. In 2016, 19,867 students appeared, 18,066 students passed, and this result was 90.93%. In 2017, 18,776 students appeared, 17,193 students passed, and this result was 91.57%. In 2018, that is last year, 19,596 students appeared, 17,886 students passed, and this result was 92.27%. You can see the graph also, so how the result went on increasing from 83.51% to now this year it is of course 92.47%. Now this year's result of April 2019 is 92.47%. So 18,684 students appeared, 17,278 students passed, and this result is 92.47%. So this is the highest result so far as the this examination is concerned. Then gender-wise result: boys 9,215 boys appeared, passed 8,506, and pass percentage is 92.31%. Girls 9,416 appeared, passed 8,772, and pass percentage is 92.64%. Now statistics showing 100% results. This time altogether 98 schools scored 100% results. 98 schools. Okay. I am not reading out the names of all these schools. You will get it on the result booklet. So, but taluka wise, you can see Bardej, 8 aided schools and 2 government schools. So 10 schools altogether scored 100% result. Bicholim, 5 aided schools, 4 government schools. Total 9 schools scored 100% result. Kankon, 4 aided schools, 5 government schools. Total 9 schools got 100% result. Margao, 4 aided schools, 0 government schools, so no government schools scored 100% result in Margao, and total 4. Pedney, 10 aided schools, 2 government schools, 12 schools with 100% result. Fonda, 10 aided schools, 3 government schools, so altogether 13 schools scored 100% result. Kepe, 1 aided school, 2 government schools, 3 schools scored 100% result. Salset, 14 aided schools, 1 government school, and 15 total 15 schools got 100% result. Sangay, 2 aided schools, 3 government schools, altogether 5 schools scored 100% result. Sattari, 1 aided school, 6 government schools, altogether 7 schools scored 100% result in Sattari. Tiswadi, 8 aided schools, 2 government schools, total 10 schools scored 100% result. Darbanoda, no aided schools scored 100% result, but 1 government school scored 100% result, so total is 1. So total 67 aided schools scored 100% result. Okay. 31 government schools 100% result. So altogether 98 schools got 100% result this year. Then another interesting statistics which I would like to put before you. Schools with enrollment more than 150 and securing results 95% and above. AGD Almeida High School, Fonda. So the 360 students were sponsored by this school, which is highest in Goa. Passed 358, and this result was 98.9%, which is, which is to be appreciated. Mustifund High School, Kujira, 216 students were sponsored, out of which 212 students passed, and this result was 98.15%. Then Shantadurga High School, Bicholim, 187 students were sponsored by this school. 183 students passed, 97.86%. Guardian Angel High School, Savarde, 180 students were sponsored, 174 students passed, 96.67%. Progress High School, Sakri, 167 students, out of which 159 students passed, and this result of this school is 95.21%. Our Lady of Grace High School, Bicholim, 158 students, 156 students passed, 98.73%. Don Bosco High School, Panji, 154 students were sponsored for the examination, 150 students passed, and the result is 97.44%. Rosary High School, Naveli, 153 students sponsored, 147 passed, 96.8%. And Mary Immaculate Girls High School, Panji, 151 students and 146 students passed. This result was 96.69%. So these were the school who sponsored more than 150 students, but the result was about 95%. Okay. Then sports merit marks. Number of candidates who availed sports merit marks, 7,122. Number of candidates who have passed the examination with the help of sports merit marks is 279. And percentage of candidate passing the examination with the help of sports merit marks is 1.61%. Then subject-wise passing percentage and highest marks in the subject: English first language, pass percentage is 95.09. This year's pass percentage is 96.95. Highest were 92 in 2018, and this year highest is 93%. Then Hindi, you can see second language, 98.69 in 2018. This year 98.77%. Highest in 2018 is 98, and in this year it is 97%. Marathi third language, 98.81. This year it is 98.50. Highest score was 97, and this year also it is 97. Konkani third language, 98.86. This year it is 98.68. Highest is 97 last year, and this year it is 95. Urdu third language, 100% in 2018. This year also it is 100%, and highest score is 96. In 2018 it was 98. Sanskrit 100%. This year it is 99.65. highest mark scores in 2018 99, and this year it is 98. Kannada third language 95.65, this year it is 98.61. 2018 it is 89, and 2019 it is 94. This year it is 94. Arabic 100%, this year also it was 100, it is 100%. Highest score is 99, this year also the highest score is 99. French third language 100% last year, this year it is 99.12%. Highest score is 96 2018, this year also the highest score is 96. Portuguese third language 100% last year, this year it is 99.35. Highest marks last year 96, and this year highest marks are 98. Maths 94.25 last year, this year it is 95.53. Highest score last year it was 100%, and this year also 100%. Science 2018 92.39, this year it is 92.71%. Highest score last year was 100%, this year also 100%. And social science 96.16 last year, this year 95.84%. Highest score is 100, this year also the highest score is 100%. So this is subject wise results. So these were the salient features of this result. Now last dates for revaluation, verification and photocopies of answer books. Revaluation of answer books 31st May 2019, last date they have to submit the application. Verified a photocopy of answer books 20th May 2019, and verification of marks in absentia 31st May 2019. So these are the last date. The students have to submit their application through schools. Then June 2019 examination. So those who fail in this examination, so we give them chance to appear in the June, so that the failure may not lose their year. The candidate with remark needs improvement and at least with one attempt of examination are eligible to answer June 2019 examination, irrespective of number of subject with above remark. Only one line application between 25th May to 1st June 2019 will be considered. No application beyond 2nd June 2019 will be considered. Date of commencement of the examination is 14th June 2019 theory. Two chances of improvement for marks under improvement schemes are permitted. So those who want to improve their marks, they can also appear for this June examination, and we give them two chances. Second chance will be again in the March 2020.